What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. Welcome to Los Angeles. Good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. So I just got home. I literally been out all day, and I was checking my email to see when my Jsculpt was going to arrive. And I literally just ordered this on the 2nd, and it's the 7th, and it's already here. I'm so juiced. So I got I think it's like the fat burning cream, and I got the waist trainer. Everybody calls it something different. Waist eraser, waist trainer, whatever, waist belt. So I got the Jsculpt one. So this is the Drenched by Jsculpt. This is the cream. So it says that the cream works best with the waist belt. It's 3.53 ounces and it's 100 grams. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. My AC is really loud. Sorry if you can hear that, but if I turned on the fan would be a lot worse. And my house has been baking all day while I've been gone, so anyways. Drenched by Jsculpt. All right. Uh-oh. Got a little security layer on it. Let's go on it. It's kind of hard to peel it back with my nails. I have an overlay on my nails. I want to show y'all what it looked like, but I can't get it off. So this is what the cream looks like. It's like the texture of Vaseline. It lightweight smells like Vicks. Lightweight smells like Vicks, and it's like the texture of Vaseline. So I'm going to be letting you guys know what it looks like, but today is just going to be the unboxing video and the try on. So I'm so excited. So I currently have a Keyshia waist eraser, and I will link that video down below talking about it. I got the waist eraser in the bodysuit. The thing I don't like about the Keyshia is it squishes your fat up to the top. It's not really that wide. I do like it, but I wanted something that wasn't going to squish my fat up. So they had a sale online. It said today only. It was like, this one was normally like $79.99 or $69.99, and they had it on sale for $59.99. They have you put your measurements in on the website because their measurements are just specifically to them. I typically wear a medium large, but according to their measurements, it said for me to get a extra large. So that's what I got. Jsculpt, extra large. It's all tangled up, so let me just show you. It has a zipper, and then when I flip it over, it's like this. So it's all kind of twisted around, but I'm gonna try it on. I do like that it has a zipper and a strap. I'll insert a picture of what the KR looks like on my body. I believe it's actually one of my latest Instagram posts, but I'll go ahead and insert a picture. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and try this on. Yeah, let's try it on. Let's see how it fits. So this is, like I said, an unboxing and a first impressions. This thing is sticking really good. So I'm hoping that I don't need assistance to put it on because Daryl has his own schedule and I have mine. So I'm going to try to put it on without assistance. And then if I need him, I'll go ahead and grab him and he can help me put it on. All right, y'all, 5 hours later, I got it on. So this is how far it comes down pretty far. See how it's like all the way right here. Really, really tight. It's really cutting off my circulation. Let's see if I can put it a little looser. Okay, that helps. But yeah, it's giving a nice contour, which I don't really care about what it looks like with me having it on. I guess if I just wanted to wear it when I wasn't working out, I could actually hide it very discreetly. But I don't care about that. I care about, because see, it practically looks like I have nothing on under here. What I care about is me being able to move in it and like actually working out. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care about how well it hides, but hey, if you want to wear it to work, honey, it does push your girls up, so it gives you more of that fit. But yeah, it contours really well underneath, so if you want to camouflage it and wear it like to work or something. But this thing seems pretty durable and pretty quality. I had a very, very hard time putting it on, as you can see. But I think that I am going to like it. Like I said, I'll go ahead and insert the picture of the KR one here. Because what it does is it pushes your fat up and it just kind of sits on the top. And it makes you look chunkier than you are. And it's just, it ain't cute. So I do like the fact that when I have it on, and if I want to post, like, you know, me working out or on Instagram wearing it, that it's not going to look like that. So that alone I do like. It is very tight. I'm a little nervous because, like I said before, I heard that if you wear waist erasers too long, they can like shift your organs and stuff. And that's why I had stopped wearing my KR. But this Jsculpt, baby, Sculpt, I'm going to be giving y'all an update of how I like it. Let me see if I can sit down in it. Ooh, sitting down is actually really painful. So I don't know if I'd be able to wear this at work because the bottom part is pressing into the top of my hips. And this is already scooched all the way up to right under my breast. So I really can't even pull it up any higher so that this part down here does not press into my hips or like the top of my thighs. But my stomach and my sides, it's a little taut, but it's not to the point where I feel like I'm going to pass out and I can't breathe. Pretty snug. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and be working out with this. And I'm going to use it for the rest of the month. So it's October 7th now. And I've been working out every day since October 31st. So if you want to follow my weight loss journey, I'll go ahead and link that video in the cards, in description box and on the end screens, and let you know. But I'll definitely come back and tell you guys how this is working in either 3 to 4 weeks. But Like I sit down. So when I sit down, as of right now, it's pressing down in my hips. It was very hard to put on. And I think that's it. That's the only really complaints that I have. I really, really like the way it looks at the moment. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Basically, this was an unboxing of the Jsculpt Drenched Cream. And I will let you know how I like this. Because this is supposed to really help push the process with you wearing the waist belt in this. The ingredients on the Drenched Cream are pomegranate extract, coconut oil, kosher jojoba oil, aloe vera extract, vitamin E, capsaicin, I don't know how to say it, capsaicin, caffeine, funnel extract, seaweed extract, grapeseed oil, cocoa extract, eucalyptus oil, menthol. That's probably why it smells like Vicks. And some other stuff I can't name. So these are all the ingredients right here. That is all for this Jsculpt unboxing and the Drenched by Jsculpt unboxing. Like I said, I'll come back and I'll let you guys know how I like everything. I think this is going to be good, and I think I'm going to like it much more than my Keyshia. And I'll do like a comparison video between my Jsculpt and my Keyshia. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen Boo. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Snapchat and all of that. You already know where Sheen Boo is at. Sheen Boo. You already know. Good night, Los Angeles.